What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rohana here, and welcome back to the Passion Bill YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the tools that come on your SV650 or SV1000 from factory, where they're located, and I'm also going to give you a little bit of an overview of how to use them as well. So without further ado, let's get today's video started. Alrighty guys, so the first tool that we're going to be talking about is located underneath your passenger seat. So first order of business, go ahead and remove your passenger seat. Bam. Once your passenger seat's completely removed, go ahead, take a peek inside, and you're going to notice that you have this nice little nifty tank prop rod. So you're just gonna give a slight pull on it and it's gonna pop right up and it'll come right on out. And like I said, guys, this right here is your gas tank prop rod. This is a very handy tool. It holds your tank up in place perfectly when you need to service anything underneath, such as your air filter, your throttle bodies, etc. To use this, you're just gonna take this circular base, plant it right there on the top nut of the triple tree, and then you're going to use this upper stem right here, and when you went on bolt one of these two bolts right here on your gas tank would hinge up, and you would basically just take that right there and stick it through the open hole, and this right here would support the weight of your gas tank while you're servicing whatever you have to service on the underside of it. So very nifty tool to have. If you do not have one of these on your bike, highly recommend sourcing one. You will not regret it. You will definitely use it at some point in your ownership of your SV650. And if you don't, I promise you that the next owner will think that you took a lot more care of your bike than you actually did by actually having one of these on your bike still. So anyway, up next, we're going to be talking about the factory toolkit, and that is located right down here. So little disclaimer, if you have a 2003 model, you will not have a factory toolkit on the under tray of your bike. It'll probably just be hiding in your passenger compartment right here, because the factory subframes were built completely different and they did not have a toolbox. Also, if you have an ABS model like this one right here, you won't have a factory toolkit underneath there, because you will have your ABS module kit and everything there too. So there's that as well. So you won't have an ABS bike unless I believe you have a 2007 and up, so that's nothing to worry about for certain people. And like I said, for the other people, the 2003 guys, I'm sorry, but you do not have a factory toolbox down here. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead. This right here, all you gotta do is locate this little button right here. You're just gonna give a slight pull on it, it's gonna pop off, and then the door for it will just slide right off, and it comes off just like that. Then you're gonna notice you have this little tool pouch in here. You're gonna go ahead and just give a little pull on it. There she goes. Just like that, you got your factory toolkit. Now guys, actually this is the first time I've ever actually pulled this out of my personal bike. I've always known it's there. I checked it was there when I first bought the bike, and I actually never looked inside of it. So right now, you and I are gonna see together the current condition of these tools. So let's get these things opened. Alrighty guys, so moment of truth. Like I told you guys, I actually have not opened up my factory toolkit yet, so I don't know the current condition of this. Now, I've parted out a fair amount of these SV650s. I've probably gotten maybe like 4 to 5 factory toolkits in these bikes, and they're usually super corroded. I've gotten one really nice one before, but they're usually either super corroded or super rusted. So without further ado, let's see how my kit looks. Boy, look at this. Silver, nice. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Okay, so first off, Allen keys, factory Allen keys are never included with the kits. They hardly ever make it. I don't know why people just always lose these. I would imagine people probably confuse those with the Allen keys that actually come out of their home toolkits. But other than that though, this is a complete toolkit, and it's actually still silver. It doesn't actually look like it's ever been used. Like there's really no signs of wear or use on these. But anyways, let me explain these over. Let me just talk about these tools a little bit to you guys. So first off, you got a 22 and a 24 closed end. You got a 14 and 17, and this one is a 12 and a 10. So always keep an eye on this 10 right here, because you know the 10s are highly elusive. These three right here work together in tandem. These are basically like Allen's 6-point, and these go for multiple things on the bikes, from I believe the wheels to a couple other things, but mainly like axle bolts and stuff. Other than that, you got this spanner wrench right here. This is for your rear coil spring adjustment. And then you've got your screwdriver, which comes with multiple bits, one bigger Phillips bit, and then the other one is actually going to be a multi-sided with a Phillips and a flathead. And then last but not least, just a pair of pliers. So that's actually really exciting, good to know. Literally, I've owned this bike for a little over 2 years probably, and I've never actually taken the time to look at my factory toolkit. So thanks for joining me for that, guys. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, guys, we just hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel. Thank you so much for that, guys. It was very, 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 I don't know, it was super exciting. When I saw the 1,000 on there, I was like, yes, finally did it. So thank you so much for that. You guys, I'm just gonna continue to create more SV content from here on out. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until the next one, guys, I'll see you then. Peace.